Welcome to Traveling Rocks. In this video, we will see detailed information about the public transportation located on Bergen City. So you can use one of the applications. So in this video, I will provide you how to download and how to purchase public transportation ticket. And the same ticket is working like a intercity connected train, tram and buses. So let's check it out for the mobile screen. First of all, open your app store, no matter which types of mobile are using, and you just simply download one of the applications. The application is here. I already download and I already travels in Bergen City, so that point of view, but you just go to your Play Store or App Store and download this application and just simply open. One of the advantage of this application, no need to sign up or registration any kind of. You just simply download this application and purchase your ticket. So here zone related informations are available. Zone A. So zone 1 ticket validity is zone 1 valid ticket price is 40 Norwegian currency. Just simply buy the travel ticket via card or travel account. So via card, I go with via card. And now here next you are now purchasing zone and just simply click here purchase. And then after your card asking you some of the information, now I am using Danske Bank. So if I go with this continue, so I can very easily purchase this particular card. So this is a simple process to book public transportation ticket. And one more example and one more point I will discuss with you here. So look at this here, this is my menu and now my tickets, and here active tickets are showing here. If you are activate your ticket in 2 hours 30 minutes, otherwise the ticket comes here in the expiry section. So look at this here, I buy 3 times zone 8 public transportation ticket and this is a expire, and if the ticket is active, so automatically activation comes here. If ticket checker are coming and you are showing the ticket and the ticket are not here, so they are give it to you fine. So you can concentrate and focus here, and this specific time also mentioning here like a 2 hour 10 minute, 2 hour 5 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes, like this. Watch is active, automatically active here in the activation section. So you can focus here and buy the ticket. So this is a simple way to buy public transportation ticket. No need to go the specific machine, put it some keywords. You just simply download and buy your public transportation ticket in Bergen.
Alla.
वो बाद में देखेंगे. क्या पार्टी बोले? ये नहीं रुक जा थोड़ा. In Scandic Hotel to direct Central, the bus number 51 is going. So I'm taking this bus and directly went on Central train station. ये देख रहे हैं आप तो भाई चप्पा चप्पा नॉर्वे आई एम एक्सप्लोरिंग चप्पा चप्पा मीन स्मॉल स्मॉल प्लेसेस because of I am very happy and excited. Oh wow, लेवल का बिजनेस नहीं था ये भी अपनी जैसी से इसने तो क्या क्या पहन लिया.